Adidas Data Privacy and Personal Data Management. Responsible processing of personal data. Adidas recognizes the importance of responsible data processing and the protection of personal data. The company takes measures to ensure privacy and security of personal data. Types of personal data collected. Contact information. Adidas collect personal data such as name, addresses, phone numbers, and email addresses when customers create account or make purchases. Demographic information. Adidas may collect demographic information such as age, gender, and location when customers voluntarily provide this information or participate in survey or promotions. Payment information. Adidas collects payment information including credit card details and billing addresses when customers make purchases on their website or in-store. Website and app usage data. Adidas collect data on how customers interact with their website and mobile app including pages visited, product viewed, and action taken to improve the user experience and personalized recommendations. Adidas Data Management Tools. Adidas account. User can create an Adidas account to manage their personal data including profile information, purchase history, and communication preferences. Privacy settings. User can adjust their privacy settings to control the type of data collected by Adidas, such as location information and browsing activity. Data access and deletion. Users have the right to request access to their personal data collected by Adidas and to request the deletion of their data. Cookie management. Adidas provide option for users to manage cookies, including opting out of certain tracking technologies. Communication preferences. User can choose their communication preferences such as opting in or out marketing emails and text messages. Adidas use of personal data. Why does Adidas collect personal data? Adidas collect personal data from users to provide personalized experiences, improve product and services, and enhance customer satisfaction. How does Adidas use personal data? Uses personal data to tailor marketing communication, recommend products, analyze customer preferences, and provide personal offers and discounts. Sharing of personal data with third parties. Data sharing practices. Adidas takes user privacy seriously and is committed to protecting personal data. We only share personal data with trusted third parties when necessary to provide our services or as required by law. Protecting user privacy. To ensure the privacy and security of user data, Adidas implements strict measures including robust data encryption, access control, and regular security audits. We also provide users with clear and transparent privacy policies and options to control their data sharing preferences. Protection and management of personal data. Data security measures. At Adidas, we prioritize the security of your personal data. We have implemented robust measures to protect your information from unauthorized access, loss, or theft. User rights. We respect your right as a user and provide you with control over your personal data. You have the right to access, rectify, and delete your data as well as the right to object its processing. Protection and management of personal data. Data security measures. At Adidas, we prioritize the security of your personal data. We have implemented robust measures to protect your information from unauthorized access, loss, or theft. User rights. We respect your right as a user and provide you with control over your personal data. You have the right to access, rectify, and delete your data, as well as the right to object to its processing. Implications for personal data privacy and security. When using the Adidas platform with third-party products and services, it is important to consider the implication for personal data privacy and security.